you to the inauguration ceremony of our 3 days workshop on empowering Indic languages through generative AI.
Quickly I'll go through the overview, like why we're organizing this workshop. So the main purpose of workshop organization is to promote the generative AI, and particularly for Indic languages.
Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi.
So the first is the Acharya Indic AI tutor. So this is our second.
Navarasa, which is extending KEMA to 15 Indic languages. So let me start a small introduction about myself.
So much for inviting me to be part of this very interesting workshop.
What I would like to talk about today is a very quick overview of machine translation approaches to it and my personal involvement in that, but